ask you to do. And roll on, 18-wheeler, roll on. Roll on! Well, it's Monday morning, he's kissing mama goodbye. He's up and gone with the sun. Daddy drives an 18-wheeler, and he's off on a Midwest run. And three sad faces gather around mama. They ask her when Daddy's coming home.